Hey, welcome back on this Thursday morning. It is the first day of August, and we are starting off warm and toasty. As far as the month of August, we typically get at around 2.8 inches of rain. The record high was 96 in 2001, and the record low was 31 degrees in 1976. We start off the month around 76 for an average daytime high, and we round out the month at around 72. So from here on out, it's a decline with the amount of daylight, as well as our temperatures. In the morning, 55 to start off the month. At the end of the month, 51 degrees. Here are a few days to make note of. So National Watermelon Day is happening on the 3rd here. National Friendship Day is on the 4th. Election Day is the 6th this year. And then we have National Beach Day on the 30th. So maybe you get an opportunity to celebrate some of these with your friends and loved ones. We do have a frontal boundary west of the UP. It is a weakening frontal boundary that is going to push east. So it'll trigger some thunder showers. If you're concerned about severe weather today, we don't really have a widespread severe weather threat across the UP today. It's mainly for areas in Wisconsin as well as downstate. They're under a level 1, a marginal risk for a few isolated strong severe thunderstorms. But the top of this area kind of clips portions of Gogebic and Iron counties, so there might be a thunderstorm that might initially be a little bit stronger than the others as they pass along the Wisconsin state line. So throughout the day, the clouds will be on the increase. There might be a few spotty rain showers on the west end towards the Keweenaw by about midday, but between 2 and 4 o'clock is where those thunderstorms start to fire up along the Wisconsin state line. Gogebic, Iron, Dickinson, as well as Menominee counties could potentially have some of these thunderstorms this afternoon. So between 2 and 6 o'clock for that entire region. This is 6 p.m. and then they start to kind of really fizzle out. This is not something that'll be widespread. We're not too concerned about it being a big impact for the UP. After that, everything kind of clears out. We're in for another sunny day for Friday with above normal temperatures and a wind flow out of the north. Now, rainfall amount does not look impressive along the Wisconsin state line, so isolated at around 1/4 of an inch today with some of those thunder showers. Tomorrow, rather today, we're looking at mid to upper 80s in interior areas, and even our shorelines will be above normal again as we continue with those upper 70s and low 80s along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. Tomorrow, a little bit more hot, while our interior areas could likely reach near 90 and a few low 90s, and even our shorelines will be seeing temperatures a little bit higher, in fact, pushing mid 80s in some areas along the shorelines. A lot of events happening over the next couple of days, and we have a lot of sunshine for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for those events. The Berga County Fair, Alger County Fair is happening. Great Deer Chase is happening on Saturday, mountain bike race there. We also have 906 Festival in Curtis on Saturday. So all in all, another decent weekend for events and activities. 80s on Saturday, but on Sunday we're looking at 70s. That's coming with a front that'll bring in a change in our weather pattern.
We have Summer Olympics action ahead in sports. Kevin McNulty has the highlights of Team USA's men basketball.